Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a clean with me, and please don't come at me. I know I should have taken down the Easter stuff before now, but it's okay. It's taken down now, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started onto this video. I hope you're enjoying your summer. It has been the best summer so far. It's been so nice, just relaxing, getting to do the things that I want to do, like sleep in or drink a cup of coffee that's actually warm, going to the restroom when I want to. It has been wonderful. So I'm definitely enjoying my summer, and I definitely miss my kiddos. I'm gonna miss them next year, but man, am I glad for this little break that we get to have. You've heard it all before. So do you guys have any fun summer plans? We have a beach trip coming up, and I'm telling you, I can't wait. I cannot wait. I won't be going in the ocean. I've been seeing all those things about the shark attack, so you won't catch me in the ocean, but I will be on the beach for sure. What do we do to love when everything's said and done? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love when everything's said and done? What do we do to love? Y'all, it's so funny. Cooper loves pulling those blankets out. Like, every time I go in the living room, there's like 3 or 4 blankets pulled out. I don't know why he loves them, but he pulls them out all the time. But I just wanted to move along and get these blankets washed. So we keep blankets on our furniture because Cooper, he likes to jump up on there, and so my parents like for me to keep a blanket on our furniture so that he, don't mess it up. So that's what I'm doing now. I just usually just wash them about once a week. Just let them, get fresh and clean. The dogs are put up in my bedroom at this time, and you'll see them later on when I let them out. I took a little break and I let them out to go outside. Well, sometimes I forget, like I can't have them out when I'm cleaning because they pretty much just stay in the way. But you'll see them later on. Y'all, Cooper is just like the precious thing ever. And let me just tell you, Chloe has gotten so big. Like, every time I look back at my old videos of her, and I'm just like, wow, she has gotten huge, and she is just like a little cuddle puppy. Like, she loves to cuddle with you. So anyway, that's enough about Cooper and Chloe. Y'all know these are my kiddos, so I have to talk about them, but they are just the precious things ever. So now I'm moving on to actually okay, so I had too much Easter stuff. I had 2 buckets of Easter, or 2 bins of Easter stuff, and then I had a bin for spring, and it was just time for me to clean that up. I'll explain that more. You'll see me explain it, but I was just right now just going through stuff that I definitely don't need or didn't use, and I'm gonna give it to Goodwill, and then I can pack away all the stuff that I'm gonna use for next year.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me, and he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. I'm thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it.
Okay, right right quick, I want to explain what I'm trying to do. And I'm trying to consolidate some of this stuff because I have too many boxes for Easter and I shouldn't have this many. And sorry, you can hear Chloe in the background. But so I want to try to, I got 3 buckets right now. And I want to put just 1 for Easter and then just 1 for spring. So I'm going to get rid of some stuff that I didn't use this time. And most likely if I didn't use it this time, I probably won't use it again. Because new stuff will be coming in. And I'm just going to let it go. It's really hard. I have realized that it's so hard to let stuff go. Like, I don't know. It's just hard to let things go. But I'm going to do it. And hopefully I can just have 2 boxes. 1 for Easter and then 1 for spring.
Me too. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real. Cause I can get them out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna na 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter.
Now that I got that all decluttered, I am moving on to the couch. I like to season my couch. That's what I like to call it. I saw on TikTok this man, he uses this stuff and he always says like, I'm seasoning my couch. So that's where I got that from. But anyways, I like to use this. It smells amazing. And like if you have pets, it's a great thing to use. But even if you don't have pets, so great. I use it in my classroom. Like if I am vacuuming, sometimes I will go and get this out and sprinkle it on the rug, let it sit there for a little bit, and then I'll vacuum it up. Y'all, it smells, gosh, it smells so good. And it goes like throughout your house. It's not just like in the living room, it lingers on. So definitely something I would recommend. It's from Walmart. It's not that expensive. I promise you, you will love it too.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you've tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings. But now I shine with your reflection on me. Getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner.
So I had to take a break and eat my lunch. Today for lunch I was just having a simple little salad. Y'all, this salad was so good. I love eggs on my salad. So on my salads I like to put eggs. I have ham in there. I have cheese in there. Sometimes I like to do pickles. I didn't do pickles this time. I didn't have any. They're called like oh my god, I can't remember the name of them. But they're a certain kind. But this is so funny, and I just decided to leave it in here. So I went to go sit on the front porch to eat my salad, and y'all, the flies were horrendous. So I was like, ain't doing it. So time I turned the film off, I went back into the house and ate my food in the living room where the flies could not get to me.
I'm hoping what I said could make you change your mind, though it doesn't really matter when my hands are tied. I'm trying to walk across the bridges that I've burned. My only way to you is gone, the tide has turned. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat.
So I wanted to throw in a simple little meal recipe that's, quick and easy for the summer. It's just this already like pre-made chicken. All you do is just put it on the stove, add some oil, and pretty much heat it up. Like real simple. And then these bow tie noodles, you just mix those, and then you add them into a pot together, and you add in the Olive Garden dressing, and you put in some Parmesan cheese, and that's it. It's so good. It was delicious. And I have another recipe that I want to share with you guys. I won't share it in this video, but I'm gonna try to share it in another video, and it's called a summer meal. I think that's the name of it. And y'all, it was delicious as well. But this one right here, I loved it, and it's so easy. Like, if I can do it, anybody can do it. So super easy if you want a fun and quick meal for the summer. Again, y'all, this meal was so delicious, especially for summertime. It can be used, honestly, any time of the year. I don't know why I keep saying for summertime. But we loved it. We ate every bit of it, and we had a few leftovers, but it did not last long in our house. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to push that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any more of my uploads. My plan for the summer is to upload 2 videos a day, to upload 2 videos a week. And if I can't get one out on Tuesday, Thursday, then I'll have 1 video on Wednesday. So that's my schedule for the summertime. Again, I hope you push that subscribe button so you won't miss out. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.